Navigating the digital world with your family can sometimes involve adjusting existing settings, and understanding parental controls on AT&T is part of that. If you're looking to adjust or understand how AT&T's parental controls function, the first step is accessing your home network's administrator settings. This is typically done through your router's management interface. Open a web browser on a device connected to your AT&T network and type in your router's IP address. Common addresses are 19,216,811 or 19,216,801. But you can usually find this information on a sticker on the router itself. You'll then be prompted for an administrator username and password. This is crucial if you don't know it. It's often found on the router sticker or in your original AT&T setup documentation. Without these credentials, you won't be able to proceed. Once logged in, the interface will vary depending on your specific router model. Look for sections labeled Parental Controls, Access Control, Security, or Device Management. These are where you'll find the settings you need. Within these sections, you can typically disable existing restrictions, modify allowed websites, or set specific time limits. The exact process will depend on the features provided by your AT&T gateway or router. Remember, managing these settings should always be done with full authorization and for legitimate reasons, ensuring a safe and appropriate online experience for everyone in your household.